We are rewriting literally the rules of auto insurance and replacing them with rules that make sense for more people.
As simple as it sounds for the insurance system to work for everyone, that hasn't necessarily been true. Ultimately, we're creating this because we feel that we are the best people to bring this out to market.
What Loop Insurance does is really measure what matters. If you're gonna jump on a roller coaster, they ask you, are you at least this tall? At the entry of one of those roller coasters, they're not asking you, do you have a college degree? It's really not all that relevant to what I'm trying to buy or what I'm trying to do. And so what Loop is doing is taking what has been an industry that's relied on things like your credit score or your zip code and saying, let's throw out the things that don't matter and instead measure, hey, are you a safe driver and are you driving on unsafe roads?
And so in order to enable us to do that, you download an app and we're on the journey with you as you move through your community in time and space. And that allows us to develop an understanding of how you are as a driver. We actually equip you with insights to drive better. And so for us, we view Loop as a driver's companion tool that is equipping you with all kinds of information to be safer on the road.
We're literally, as a driver companion, like a passenger in your car with you. And we need our consumers to understand that the data exchange that they're making, that we appreciate that they are supplying that data to us, but that B, it is returned to them in a way that brings them a lot of value. So in this case, hopefully making them much safer and much less likely to be involved in a car crash. But beyond that, I think about the future of AI and the importance of Loop in leading the conversation on the ethical development of AI. It should be transparent, accountable, replicable. This is not a set it and forget it, good riddance AI. It's a thoughtfully constructed and intentionally monitored scientific experiment that is only hopefully going to make a lot of people's lives a lot better. We're sort of repositioning AI as a force for good instead of just an evil villain superpower.